We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 621. Let's go on into the apartment. You can see we've got our kitchen over on the right with our refrigerator. The dishwasher is under the sink, the microwave, the stove and oven. There's cabinets and drawers. Over on our left in the kitchen area is the door to the bathroom. Let's go on in and take a look in the bathroom. It's the same bathroom layout we have in the other units with the standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there's the medicine cabinet over there. Let's go on into the apartment, and you can see we've got our closet doors here on the right. Let's take a quick look in there as we go on through. Okay, so here's our closet. We wanted to show you this apartment. This style of apartment is our largest style apartment. This one has more floor space than the other studio apartments, and we've got those extra windows. There are 5 of them over there, so sometimes we call this apartment a 5-window apartment or a Pentacle style apartment. So this area where the windows are, just as we're coming right through here, this is all extra space that we'll just have in these style of apartments. This is number 13, 17, and 21 on floors. This is available on floors 2 through 6. You can see out one of the windows here, we're looking towards the center of Collegetown. That's looking to the east, and you can see that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road right here in the heart of Collegetown. And you can see right there is where the rest of the building is, and so that's the part that we stick out, where we're sticking out past the building, and that's extra space in these units only. Here's the other direction, so we can see that red building below us is Collegetown Plaza. And you can see that's the number 17 line of apartments over there, the one that sticks out, so you can see kind of that extra space here within the unit. So we're in the north side, or the Collegetown side of the building on Dryden Road, so we get some great people watching opportunities. 2 of these 5 windows do open. Here's one that opens, the other on the right side opens as well. And here's a look around at the furnishings in the apartment. So same furnishings we've seen elsewhere. The dresser, the bookshelf, there's the dining table and chair. We have the desk and chair tucked in over here. There are a lot of great furniture layout opportunities in these apartments. You can put things wherever you like. Where that bookshelf is, the bed also fits there. You may have seen that in some of the other videos or units, but we wanted to show you some different furniture layout options because you can move the furniture around however you like. So that's a look at the largest studio layout here in Collegetown Center. We're in the 5-window or Pentacle style apartment. We're up here on floor number 6 in 621. We have this unit available on floors 2 through 6 here in the building on the north side or Dryden Road side of the building. So Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block from campus.